Hello friends, I'm Abigail from Evangel International Machinery Ltd, which is specialized in construction machines for more than 10 years. Today I will show you the mining dump truck I exported in the Shanghai Port. Let's go to have a look. Now I'm in Shanghai Port. As you can see, there are many construction machines waiting for delivery. Let me show the dump truck I exported. Behind me is today's protagonist, HOWO mining dump truck HW7D. The gross weight is 70 tons and the curb weight is 29.4 tons. The chassis of this truck is a 6x4 driver model with 3 axles. This is single axles. These are double axles. Let's see the tires. For this truck, we use Radial tires to make it better adapt to desert terrain. Look, this is the engine of the truck. This truck is equipped with a Weichai diesel engine with 371 horsepower, which meets Euro 2 emission standards. Let's see the cargo box. The dimension of the cargo box is 5.8 multiply 3.1 multiply 1.8 cubic meters. The boom of the cargo box is 18 mm and the side is 12 mm. Mining dump trucks are off-highway dump trucks, which are used in off-highway field sites, such as larger open-pit mines and water conservancy, to transport coal and sand. If you are interested in it, please contact me for it.